I can't stay on mine again. I want my disease. Hey, look! She's got a bro! He got the one with the singular coming! Act on the 24. Okay. We're almost there. Act fun. This is the course. This on the course we have a cross to in the end. Let's go. Come on, this way. I mean, that way. Yep, we're almost there. Come on with the second arm, come on. I mean, one with the second arm, come on. Uh-oh. Oh no! Oh my god! No, 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 no! She's gonna blow! Oh no! Look how much oh no! I'm not to me! Coming still! Tell me, give me your heart, coming still! Get up, coming still! Okay, no, no, to me! Uh-oh! No, 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 no! Gotcha! Now hold you wolf, Mr. Rachel Smith, right now! Time for the moment to see you coming! Uh-oh! It's an earthquake! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! It's there it goes! She's gonna blow! Uh-oh! I think it's the going on! Oh, and that's the way! Uh-oh! Shimmer gonna have something! Hey, what can we do? I mean, this is not good. What can we do? He's only the one with the cigar coming to these too! Oh no, extra the road, tell me what that means. Oh no! Extra then, now! Oh no! Come on, let's go! You guys, come with me! All the story has started to me! It's taken away! I need to go! Come on guys, let's go! Okay, go!